Okay, so I've been looking at these assembly manuals on eBay for the 73 Corvette. They're all described the same, they have the exact same features. Let's take a look at some of them. This one says Corvette America 6 generations, one source. It seems like more of an ad for Corvette America. No thanks. This one says 73 Corvette, but that's a 53, so no thanks. At least they tried putting a photo on the cover. This one has a photo of a 73 convertible, but kind of dull. Of course, they've got them on data discs, DVDs, CDs, whatever. No thanks. Let's see what else here. There's kind of a plain one. Let me take a closer look at this one. Price is right. It's about half as much as the others. I guess that'll do. I'm going to take that one. Alright, it's been a week. This is what I received in the mail. Exactly as described. 73 Corvette assembly manual. Under license to Millennium Industries Inc. Alright, so the cover. What is that? That's not a 73 front bumper. I'll put that aside. 400 pages. They're all pre-drilled with these binder holes. That's good. You won't have to go out and pay someone to do that. Let's just take a quick flip through. Check the quality. Ooh, that looks good. This is actually very clean. That's much better than I was expecting. You know, you never know what you're getting. Very nice. I can read. It's all legible, sharp. I like the contents. Not too thrilled with this cover. It's got the wrong. It's probably a 72 on that. I'm gonna redo the cover. First, I'll need a binder, of course. This is a 3-ring binder, and they are big enough for 400 pages. So starting from the back, I'm going to load it as thusly. I'm putting about 100 pages at a time, as you can see, about that many, through the holes carefully, keeping the pages in exactly the same order. And finally, the last 100 pages. Alright, so there's the guts of the book. Wait a minute. Okay. Very nice. That looks good. Now when I lay it on my work table to look at when I'm working on something, the pages will lay flat. I like that. Next, the cover. Okay, here's what I came up with. It's printed out on glossy paper, 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray assembly manual, and I kept, of course, the same fine print and the General Motors logo I added in the corner. Now on the binder I've got, it actually has, see, it actually has a sleeve opening at the top that you can insert whatever you desire. I'm going to get it all the way down and then make sure that it is even and level. There you go. Much better than the cover that came with it. Now on the spine, of course, that's what you're going to see most often in your book, on your bookshelf. So you want the same words on there, assembly manual. And again, there's a little clear sleeve. So I've made a spine graphic. I'm just going to slide it in here. There we go. And straighten it up. 1973 Corvette Stingray assembly manual. So that's what I'll see more than the front cover, actually. So here's the final product. New binder, new graphics, I've even put one on the back here. Why not? Protected. It'll lay flat. Pages are great. I love it.